Most people don't know this, but Google is tracking and collecting your data every single day without your permission or approval. So in today's video, I will show you how to stop Google from tracking and collecting your information. Firstly, open up your main settings app, scroll down and tap on Google. Tap on all service, scroll down and tap on personalized using share data. Honor that Gmail is turned on by default, which allows Google to scan your emails and communication data. Turn it off to stop that from happening. Device contact is turned on by default, which allows Google to upload and scan your contact information, which exposes communication information about people you talk with on your device. Turn it off to stop that from happening. External media is turned on by default, which allows Google to access facts, photos, and media, which expose private documents and content. Turn it off to stop that from happening. Go back and tap on Usage and Diagnostics. Usage and Diagnostics is turned on by default, which allows Google to generate information about your device, how you use it, and so on. Turn it off to stop that from happening. Go back, scroll down and tap on Ads. Tap on Reset Advertising ID and tap Confirm. Tap on Delete Advertising ID and delete Advertising ID. It will take longer time for Google to set up name advertising ID. That means that you're going to see less ads on your screen. Tap back, go back again, scroll down and tap on Apps. In the app menu list, tap the three-dot menu. Tap on Special Access. Scroll down to Usage Data Access. Tap on Google. By default, allows usage tracking is turned on by default. Google uses settings to monitor which others app you use and how often, and identify your service provider, language settings, and others uses data. This is the main tracking source. Turn this off to stop Google from tracking your app usage. Go back, tap back again, tap back again. In the app menu list, scroll down and look for Google. Tap on the Google app and tap on permission. Tap on calendar. This settings allows Google to access your schedule and event, which expose your plans, meetings, and daily activity. Put it to don't allow. Ignore this warning. Google don't want you to stop it from tracking you. Ignore this warning and proceed. Put it to don't allow anyway. Alright. Tap back and tap on call logs. This settings is turned on by default, which gave Google the permission to access or view your call history and to know who you communicate with how often, which exposes your communication data. Put it to don't allow. Go back and tap on camera. This settings is turned on by default, which gave Google the permission to access your camera anytime, which raises a privacy concern about viewing your daily activity. Put it to don't allow or ask every time. If you upload facts or assignment paper to Google, you can put it to ask every time. That means you only give Google this permission whenever you are working on a project or assignment. But for now, I'll put it to don't allow. Go back and tap on contact. Google uses this permission to access your contact, which expose information about people you talk to on your phone. Put it to don't allow and go back. Tap on location. Google uses this permission to track your live location, which monitor your daily movement and store it on the Google map. Put it to don't allow. Go back and tap on microphone. Google uses this permission to access your microphone, which raises a privacy concern about voice recording. Put it to don't allow. Tap on phone. Google uses this permission to manage phone feature and detect call, which expose your device and communication information. Put it to don't allow. Tap on SMS. Google uses this permission to read text messages, verification call, and private conversation. Put it to don't allow. Tap on storage. Google uses this permission to access files, media, and photo on your phone, which expose private document and private content. Put it to don't allow and go back. Now, leave the main setting app menu. Open the Google app itself. Tap your profile picture and tap on manage your Google account. Tap on data and privacy. In the data and privacy settings, there are 5 settings turned on by default, which Google uses to collect information about you on the daily basis, especially in the Google service and about your device. The first settings you are going to turn off here is personalized search. Google uses these settings to track apps and online activity, which may reduce privacy and increase targeted ad. To turn it off, tap on this and toggle off this button. Now go back. The second settings here is going to take a longer time for these settings to display. Tap on personalize Google Play. Google uses these settings to monitor apps, downloads, interest, which expose your preference and activities. To turn it off, put it here and tap on this. Turn it off. Tap on got it. It's going to take a longer while for the setting to function properly. Alright, but it's already off. This is the main settings, web and app activities. Google uses these settings to track or to record websites, apps, what you search for, your activities, which can create a detailed history of you in the online space, especially in Google service. Once this settings is turned on, once you go on YouTube, Google is going to have information of you. You use the Google app, it's going to have information of you. You use Google Gemini, Nano, Banana, any Google product you use, this settings is going to give account of it. Tap on this and put it to turn it off. Say turn off and delete your activity. Tap on next and tap on next. Tap on delete and delete your activity. Tap on got it and this settings is off. Now tap on Google Play history. Google uses these settings to save what you search for on Google, which app you download, which app you have purchased on the Google Play Store, and is used to expose your personal interests and activity. Tap on the on button and turn off and delete. Tap on next, tap on delete, tap on got it and go back. This settings is already off. Tap on YouTube history. This is the settings Google uses to track what video you watch on YouTube, what you search for, what video you like, what video you dislike, everything you do on YouTube. This settings is given account to it to Google, and they use it to show you ad and recommendation. To turn it off, tap on it, tap on this, saving your YouTube history, tap here and turn it off. Tap on pause, tap on got it, and this settings is off. The other 2 settings will take a longer while to display, but it's already off. Thanks for watching, and this is what I wanted to share with you.